folks. What it is. Welcome to the top 60 GlobeTARD Goober Gaffes. This is an ongoing continual list and will be continuing as long as the goobers engage their incoherent pie holes. If you're not a flat earther after the first three, then you might be a GlobeTARD goober. So let's get to it. Well, before we start, I didn't number these in any particular order. It's strictly arbitrary. That is, number 1 isn't any dumber than number 60. Although there is a truckload full of standouts, like all of them. Well, let's get to it. Number 1, from the rumpus, air is not the atmosphere. Number 2, Sly Sparkane, my physics experiment was double blind. Number 3, from George Nutcheck, Space Git Idiot, a closed thermos is an open system. Number 4, Mr. Insensible, at best what you have done, you would have disproved the radius of the Earth. Number 5, Brenda, in response to the question, what's the phenomena? Shoe. And in response to the follow-on question, what's the hypothesis? Brenda, it's a shoe. Number 6, Zanuck, straight is straight and level is curved. Number 7, Timmy Clown, Timmy Osmond, logical fallacy is better than nothing. Number 8, in response to so the plane is flying backwards, Danny T or Daily T now says yes. Number 9, from Gamma Panda Shamalama Gamma Panda Ding Dong. My presupposition, the laws of logic stand. Number 10, from Steve McCrae, Steve McClown of the Clan McClowns. The speed of sound in a vacuum is constant. Number 11, Zanuck. Planes can fly motionless if they fly at 1,000 miles per hour eastward at the equator. Number 12, Brenda. DNA is made of amino acids. Number 13, the rumpus. You don't have to be conscious to make an observation. Number 14, soundly. Gravity attracts gravity. That's what happens. That's the behavior of our reality. Number 15, Philip Weinberg, PhD, Physics. We're talking about the physical sciences. The physical sciences don't care about the natural world. Number 16, Craig, fight the fat girth. A hypothesis is an explanation. 12 seconds later, a hypothesis isn't an explanation. Number 17, Brenda. I can measure the amount of time in a table. Number 18, conspiracy cats. The second law of thermodynamics is about the movement of energy, not the movement of matter. Number 19, the rumpus. You don't need to have a cause to establish a cause and effect relationship. Number 20, in response to what's the independent variable in your experiment, Mick West says, I don't know. What would you... Give me an example of an independent variable. Number 21, Charles Flat Earth Math. Now, if you get in deeper, there's this thing called a double blind or a blind experiment where the chemist doesn't even know the substances he's mixing together. 22, Bob the pseudoscience fallacy guy. So basically, that's all I have to say about it. It's, my gravity is the fact my phone flips. 23, Gem Panda, Shamalama Gamma Panda Ding Dong. Straw man, the Earth isn't spinning that fast. It's only one revolution every 24 hours. Number 24, Miles the Liar Davis. Your argument can be dishonest without having the intention to deceive. Number 25, the rumpus. The second law of thermodynamics doesn't apply to the Earth. 26, negator, negative. Why don't balloons disappear from the bottom up when moving up and away? Number 27, Dr. John Wallace. Yes, an actual physician. Babies also cannot walk for 12 to 18 months due to adjusting to the spin of the Earth. That's why we throw up and can't talk until about 14 months. Number 28, the rumpus again. There's no such thing as natural laws. You just made that up. 29, Brenda. You can weigh the Earth using a toothpick. Number 30, Professor Phil Belland. In response to water vapor is a gas, he says, that's the dumbest thing I ever heard. Number 31 from Michelle Thaler, NASA scientist communicator. There's no such thing as life, really. We're just very complicated rocks. Number 32, Chaiki. You don't need gas pressure to have gas pressure gradients. 33, R.C. Meisty. Which one do you want? Magnetic west or true west? Number 34, Zanuck. The effect of time is the cause of time. 35, Brenda. Thoughts are physical. 36, Hillbilly Blue Balls, the redneck retard, aka the photosynthetic redneck. No marble science. Listen to me, that's how it overcomes gravity. It doesn't overcome gravity. 37, the rumpus. Pendulums go around in a figure eight. Back to the rumpus again, number 38. Measuring things is not maths. 39, soundly. You can't understand the elliptoid. Ha 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 ha. 40, Gem Panda, Shamalama Gamma Panda Ding Dong. There's no such thing as objective proof in our existence. Number 41, Bob the pseudoscience fallacy guy. Because planes fly a path along the ground, they assume the rotational speed of the Earth at a point on that path as if they were sitting on the ground. 42, soundly. Hypothesis, the Earth is a sphere. Null hypothesis, Earth is flat. 43, conspiracy cats. Gas pressure and pressurized gas are two very different things. 44, the rumpus. Gases effectively have little springs on them, pulling them towards the Earth. Back to the rumpus, number 45. Do you think liquid gas has got the same mass as another form of something? 46, Bob the pseudoscience fallacy guy. Weight is not gravity. Weight is the acceleration of gravity. 47, negator. That's like saying 0.0000000000000000000000003 millimeters is massively different than 1 millimeter. It's a minuscule difference. Number 48, M. Scott Veach, PhD, booger-eating schmuck. Amino acids are the building blocks of RNA. 49, Sean Little G, in response to, is a rocket matter? His answer, I'm not sure, if maybe someone on the panel can answer. Number 50, Brenda, dog bones are clocks. Number 51, Bob the pseudoscience fallacy guy. There are no independent or dependent variables in the scientific method. Number 52, paid NASA shill. Put your hand in front of your face. You see it? That's space-time. 53, Professor P.Z. Myers. Human beings are fish. 54, Brenda. Objects cast shadows on themselves. Number 55, George Nutcheck, the space git idiot. The stars in the UK rise in the east, they swing through the south and set in the west. In Australia, the stars rise in the east, they swing through the north and set in the west. They're rotating in opposite directions. 56, the rumpus. The lens of the human eye is concave. 57, back to the rumpus. Gases are solids. 58, Hillbilly Blue Balls, the redneck retard, aka the photosynthetic redneck. No marbles, science. Gas molecules are moving in all different directions, but they're also moving in one singular as a one singular mass in one direction. Number 59, Bearded Devil. Many words mean the same thing. That's why we call them similes. So now that we're done with that little bit of education. And finally, number 60, Gem Panda, Shamalama Gamma Panda Ding Dong. How can I be begging the question? In fact, I wasn't even asking a question. Well, there you have it, folks. Brought to you by the intellectual elites from the BALLBUSTERS spinning space monkey religion. I know I can speak for all of us. God help us.